Happy New Year in the year 2022. Today is January 1st, 2022. We're here at Frosty's Winter Wonderland. Now, this is in downtown Salt Lake City, or I don't know if I would call it downtown, but if you go to downtown and travel a little bit to the outskirts of the city, you'll see this magically decorated house full of wonderful Christmas displays. Now I know it's not Christmas, it's past Christmas, but still an extravagant display to look at. And they have it up for, I'm not sure if they'll keep it up how much longer, but still up into the new year. And just look at all the different decorations that they have. It is currently 16 degrees, feels like 9 degrees, but not windy, which is good. Oh, they just opened their garage and I can see a manger scene inside there. I mean, there's like so many toy soldiers, mini Santas, snowmen, lamppost. I think I'm amazed by how they're able to keep it all up. And you can see on the ground here in front of me, they have a snowman. Like, that's not, oh, I was gonna say that's a projection, okay. So this little light here is projecting that onto the ground. And I guess there's a few more of those projections further on down. You've got the snowman from Frozen, Mickey and Minnie, the Grinch. Like I said, how do you get so many lights to keep all of them lit up? See the reindeer embedded within all the scenery up there. I feel like I see Santa too, although he looks kind of sideways. Here's a manger scene. A couple of them. And you know, since I'm so close, I'm not showing what's down below here, which is like the Christmas lights and stuff, but I think I'm going to do one more walk back. Maybe I'll go in the street. But it's also worth noting, look on the second level up there. On the second level they have like some choir singers with angels, and the top level some more taller snowmen. I think it says holidays up there on the right. I always love any gingerbread decoration, so the gingerbread man wins with me. Why do we have the one lonely penguin right here? Let me turn the camera this way, you can get kind of a good picture of the lights streaming up and down. Very cool. And a great way to start off our first video on the Poco Traveler channel of the year 2022. Yeah, I'll try to post in the description the street names and such. I'm not familiar with the neighborhood. Just followed Google Maps to get up here. Let's turn around for a second and get more of a street view of the entire place. You know, pay attention to make sure no cars are coming. See, now that I have a better perspective, I didn't recognize like that little palm tree there. Or I didn't see on the very top level the giant Christmas lights that are at the top, just below the icicles on the roof. And then on top of the garage earlier, I didn't get a chance to look at all the Santa that are up there. Oh, look at this. We got a bicycle all decorated and wrapped up. Oh, and if people want to take a candy cane, they can take a souvenir candy cane. And then the rooftop up there says Happy Holidays. Oh, up there. Let's try to zoom in a little bit. Up at the very top, up there we've got the Nightmare Before Christmas. I think that's them. With Snoopy. It's hard to see them beyond the railings. And a live poodle. But yeah, great way to start the year 2022. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to the channel. And we will see you next time.